Hey, we're here today at eimports4Less talking about a recent addition to our inventory. This year's a 2015 Mercedes-Benz GLA250. It's an AMG Sport model with the 19-inch rims, black colored vehicle with black interior, and currently has 36,000 miles on it. A couple of features of this one: 4Matic all-wheel drive, collision prevention and attention assist, blind spot monitoring, and Harmon and Kardon audio. If you're looking for all the details about this vehicle or any of our vehicles available for sale, they can be seen anytime at eimports.com, and we can take questions here at the store, 215-249-9100. We'll take a quick look on the interior. Again, it is black on the inside. There is cream colored contrast stitching throughout, and a large display for the navigation and backup. And again, all the details are available anytime at eimports.com, and we can take questions here at the store, 215-249-9100. Thanks again.